Hi y'all, welcome back to Geek Homestead. Today I'm going to be making a pineapple marmalade. I found a good sale on pineapples and apples at the store the other day, so I picked up some. And then I found a recipe in my preserves book, so we're going to give this a try. The recipe calls for 8 cups of chunked pineapple, which I found to be about 2 pineapples cut up, cored and chunks after that. I got 4 Macintosh apples, peeled, cored, and chunked as well. Then we've got in here the juice of 3 oranges, and then the rind of just 1 of them. There's a 1.5 cups of sugar, a dash of vanilla extract, and 3 cinnamon sticks. So you put all this in your pot, and then we're going to let it boil for a good hour to hour and 10 minutes is what the recipe calls for. So I've not made this recipe yet, it just sounds really good, so we're going to give it a try. And I'll bring you back when it gets to boiling and the fruit starts to mush and mix together. Okay, so this is what we have here. After an hour and 10 minutes on a medium-low heat, most of the water has been boiled out, and it smells awesome. It really does, almost like Christmas. You know, the apples, pineapple, the citrus with the orange, and the cinnamon in here. It is so nice. Anyway, so the next step is to put all this in the food processor or a potato masher or something to help get more of the chunks out. You can blend up the orange rind or orange peel too if you want, but just make sure that you take out the cinnamon sticks first. You don't want to blend those. So cinnamon sticks go, and everything else gets put in the blender or food processor, and you can blend it as fine as you want, to the consistency that you want, and then you heat it up again, so boil for a couple of minutes, and then put it in your mason jars. So we will be back when that is done. See you in a little bit. Okay, so this batch made 5 little jars. They call them share size, but they're still 8 ounces. But it's I canned them in a smaller amount, so they're more like for tasting, and it'll be easier to eat them up pretty quick. That'll probably be two breakfasts with my husband and my kids and me, so that'll be really good. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we are. It tastes really good. I'm really impressed with it. So y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.